Now that you're ready for orders to start coming in, you want to think a little bit about your packaging slip and what's going to be sent out to your customers if they do place an order. So let's go and take a look at how that's dealt with in Printful. One of the things that I really like about Printful is their excellent frequently asked questions, their training videos, and all of the information on their website, which really is set out so easily and step by step in order for you to find what you need. So here, for example, what does the packaging slip look like? It tells you that Printful is completely white label, meaning there is no Printful branding anywhere on the order's packing slip. And it tells you a little bit about how your retail prices are shown on your packing slip. So it agrees to whatever your customer has paid. That's shown there, not the price that you paid to Printful. So it's perfect for arriving with your customer. There are two places on the packing slip that you can customize. If we scroll down a little to this example, just here, you can add a black and white logo to your packing slip, and at the bottom here you can add a custom message, which maybe perhaps could include just a thank you for placing your order, details about where a customer should contact you in the event of a query, and perhaps a coupon code if they like your products and want to order something again. So let's go through and see how we can set those up in Printful. The first thing we can do, go to your side menu here on Printful, go to Settings, Stores, and then Packing Slip. First thing we can add is a branding sticker, which is of course optional, but if you want to, you can add a 3 by 2 inch black and white sticker. That usually goes on your packing slip, and in some cases, for some products, it can also be added to the outside of your packaging. So let's go and set that up and we'll add it in. So I've gone ahead and used Canva in order to create just a simple sticker image in black and white for the pillow place. That's going to upload into Printful and give me a little preview. So it just says basically thank you for your order, the pillow place, and has our Etsy store address on there. Okay, so now we can also include our customer service email. This is where we would want people to get in touch with us in the event they had some kind of query with their order. There's also a space where you can add a phone number if you're happy for your customers to get in touch with you that way. And then lastly, you have 300 characters, which you can use for a custom packing slip message. And as I said before, just a simple brief thank you, instructions on how to get in touch with you, a reminder of how they can order from you again, and maybe a coupon code to give them a discount off a second order. Once you've completed all of your details, just hit the red button to save them. That's it, your packing slip is all now set up, and you can be confident that when your customer receives their order, they'll know it's from you, they'll be able to confirm what they've paid, and they'll be able to get in touch if there's a problem.